Are GIFs not working on Discord? Whether GIFs won't load, won't send, or simply refuse to animate, this issue can take some fun out of your chats. The good news is that most GIF problems are caused by settings, connection issues, or app glitches, and they're usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you the best solutions. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. GIFs require data to load properly, so a weak or unstable connection can prevent them from appearing or sending. If you're in a server, check whether GIF permissions are enabled. Some servers restrict GIF usage, especially for members without certain roles or permissions. Open Discord settings and look for accessibility or chat settings related to animations. Make sure GIF playback and animated content are enabled. Temporary app glitches or corrupted cache files can sometimes break GIF functionality. Restart Discord and clear its cache to force the app to reload fresh data. Running an outdated version of Discord can lead to compatibility issues. Make sure you're using the latest version to get bug fixes and performance improvements. If GIFs still aren't working, try using Discord on another device or switch between the desktop, web, and mobile versions. This can help determine whether the issue is device-specific. And that's how to fix Discord GIFs not working. By checking permissions, updating the app, and clearing cache files, you can usually get GIFs working again in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully your chats are back to being a little more animated. Thanks for watching.